Hello there, my name is Marella and welcome to my How to Do series. Today we're looking at forward fold, so I invite you to make your way to standing. I'm going to do this sideways so you can see it from the side rather than the front. So again, more doable, feet inner hip width apart. Press the four corners of your feet into the floor, squeeze your shins in. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, hinge forward with your knees slightly bent. Line up your fingernails with your toenails. If it's available to you, press the heel of your hand into the floor. Begin to straighten your arms. Press the backs of your knees away from you. Root your hips forward. Invite your chin to your shin. Hips over ankles. Pressing the heel of the hand into the floor. Drop your head. Look back between your legs. In the classic form of this pose, your legs are straight. It's not always achievable for anyone, so you can also do it with your knees bent. To make your way out of the pose, bend your knees, place your hands on your hips, squeeze your elbows back, press down, inhale, stand up, release your arms to your sides. And that's how you come into forward fold, Uttanasana. If you like this video, please give me a like, a share, or even subscribe to me on YouTube. Thanks a million for coming along today. See you on the mat.